What is good? What is good? What is good, guys? Kingsley Joshua, Trey Lord himself, come to you live. And we got video 18. Video 18 is 1:27 p.m. on Friday before market, closes on 4:30 and stuff. Let's do the analyze right now. So this is another trade that I didn't take. I could have took. I'm supposed to took really, but didn't because I'm really am done for the week. Again, uh, brain fart. There we go. Really am done for the week. There's the trades right there. But yeah, I would be really, honestly, I'd be 7-0 this week with this one completing, and I believe that's euro. That's euro JPY, and then also this one USD JPY. And I'm about to fix up the charts now. I'm just getting back on the charts. Just got home from work, and I normally do this by myself, but let's do it together, right? Also got some questions to answer from the last YouTube video, so I'm gonna go ahead and do that too as well. Some of you guys want to see how I actually do like place everything. So first off, let's clean up the chart. This is already done. So once I get this, obviously this happened first before all this pickup right here, and that's exactly what we're looking for. So I'll delete this. I'll pull down this to the 0 point, to the point it was right there. I'll delete this fib because this fib is now irrelevant. Now we got to catch up to the market. So let's go on the 4-hour. Well, we see that orange there. So let's go on the daily. This is now the new daily high, right? And no new break of structure point. This is candles by itself, and this last two count formation is right here. So that is still the weekly, oh yeah, the weekly's here too. Well, everything's here. You can see on the weekly, something changed on the weekly. Did it? Oh, it's because it's there already. Oh yeah, my bad. We good. All right. Weekly's there, along with the daily, because they have the same breaker structure points basically. Monthly, I already know there's no new candle, no new two candle formation. It's still there. We're still impulsing up. So these are the new highs, right? Stuff, it's a little sloppy right now. I had to clean it up right here for you guys. I'll put everything like this. There you go. And then, of course, the 4-hour will be up here too as well, because we're now catching up to the current market structure. So also on the 4-hour, we have a new two candle formation. We have this high, this yellow candles by itself, yellow candle by itself. Last two candles that's yellow together was right here. To the right, what's the lowest point from those two candle formations? Right here on the first candle. Boom. So we're still in up structure on the 4-hour, right? But are we still up structure on the 1-hour? That's what you have to ask yourself right there. So from this high, this candle's by itself, this candle's by itself, this candle's by itself, this candle's by itself. So the 1-hour is over here, right? And then, Of course, when it came down, we were catching up to the market currently. It was still in this fib range, and then we shot up because it's rightfully so. It was still an up structure, and we broke we did a continuation. So we have a new high. Last two candle formation was right here, boom, boom, and this is the lowest point. So I'll place my fib point A. And obviously we made all these highs right here. So point B, we're still impulsing up until we get a nice retracement here. This is irrelevant. We're basically skipping the next setup because we're done here. All right. Because I got what? My pattern that I'm looking for. What's the pattern I'm looking for? The two wins and two mini wins, right? And that's exactly what we got. Now, now on this pair, Euro JPY, I'm either waiting for this thing and another one of these, or two more of these, and then go with the right way. But if I get another one of these, I'll be looking for one of these to take. Right? I'll be looking for the wrong way to go down. As long as everything is still aligned. But that's how we will set up this chart right here, right now, currently. Nothing further to do till price shows more. This pair right here, same thing. We already took care of that because that would have been that. And then we broke structure on the 1 hour. Broke structure on the 1 hour. Still currently up structure. Oh, no. We broke structure on the 4 hour too as well. Because this is the last two confirmation. This is the lowest point to the right. And we broke structure here. So we're currently down structure on the 4 hour. So now we're not dealing with the 1 hour at all anymore. Let me just bring that over here. Right? And what are we doing here? Absolutely nothing because we already have our pattern. Big win, two mini wins right here. Boom, boom. We trade the probabilities, right? So we were just waiting for a four. I'm skipping the setup, but I'm waiting for a 4 hour break of structure. And we don't have to set alert there because we're not really taking this trade, so we don't really have to follow along. We only set alerts for trades we're actually looking to take, right? No fugazing this year. All right. So next pair, this is Bitcoin. Waiting for that 4 hour break of structure. Again, just following along with Bitcoin. Don't really take action on that pair. CHF, JPY. We're still in this situation. I deleted this setup. This is actually a setup that I had placed, but I'm deleting it until at least next week. And then we'll see what we get. But I'm having a feeling since everything else won, we had 7 wins in a row. There's 7 wins in a row. Even though I only catched 5 of them, there were 7 wins in a row. One of them saw it shoot up like that, and then I'm gonna get a nice double take. So I'm gonna wait for this one. I'm not gonna take no action. I'm actually gonna put here skip setup to give us that home field advantage, right? Give us that home field advantage, right? Now I could do something real crazy, and was not really crazy, but I risk $25 to make $50 on this play. But that's not how it would play the strategy because I have a win here. It's not how I do things. So we just wait. What we do, we wait. And I'm not really messing with any higher time frames yet until this thing's finished. Either to come up, smack here, or come up and smack there. Till then, we're keeping the higher time frames messy, basically. This pair right here, NZD CAD, waiting for a 4 hour break of structure. I have this on my funded Pips funded trade challenge right now. I'm currently in this trade on the challenge, and I'm just keeping that challenge on wraps. I'm really just showing you guys my live account. I'm not, I'm not chilling. I'm chilling here, but we were in profit and it went down a little bit. But mad continuations on the 4 hour. 4 hours though have to break structure soon, so we're just waiting. Um, Euro USD. We are still down structure. We're just waiting for a 1 hour break of structure, as it says there. If I go on the 1 hour chart, we had big win, one mini win. We're looking for another mini win, of course. Um, and again, this is a setup that I could take, but I'm gonna wait for next week. And it looks like it's all do a continuation soon. And then when does that continuation? Last two confirmation that was bearish is right here, so that'll be the new breaker structure point, and we'll play it off from there. But we're chilling, and of course we'll all be risking $100 to make $50 on that play, right? This thing, hot mess. We came up. Well, we did. We had a 4 hour break of structure, which we were waiting for. You had that 4 hour break of structure. And then, of course, it came down to this point, and we just had to wait for this fib to finish. So this fib is finished right here when it surpassed this break structure point. I mean, delete. So this is the last one right here. So I'll go on top time frame right now, and I see this is the low of the high of the 4 hour. Last two confirmation was here, and we obviously broke structure. So what we're waiting for now, we're still waiting for a up structure of because we're up structure on the daily, we're up structure on the weekly, and we're up structure on the monthly, right? So that's three out of the four horsemen, and the 4 hours the only one down structure. So we're waiting for that 4 hour break of structure, right? Now if 4 hour does this and does a continuation, great. That's why I'm triggered to take it on my funded pips account for that 4 hour strategy, right? But until then, we're chilling, waiting for that break of structure. And of course, we're chilling out. Why we're chilling out? I already had my pattern. We had a big win, too many wins. Now I'm just gotta wait for two more of these or wait for another one of these. But until we gotta wait. We gotta wait. It's a lot of waiting going on. All right, so we have something here, but of course we gotta skip it because we had uh big win here. One, two, mini wins here, and then another mini win here. I can see. I'm waiting for another mini win, and then we can take action. So without see, but we can play this off, right? Play this off. Yeah, this 1 hour since this is the candle that broke structure. Last two confirmations here, and this is the lowest point to the right. Point A, point B. To see what happens first, right? I'll put my cursor on this 1 hour chart. I'll go down to the 5 minute. And it's obviously I'm looking for 14. 14 right here. And I can see what happens first. So from here, we touched the 23.6 level before going to violate this area. Because this high is 784 and this high is 784. That was just equal highs there. Yeah, so this is the right fib for placement right now, and this is the right trigger point right here. That's the only reason I use the 5 minute chart to go into more detail on what happened first. That's the only time I really use the lower time frames now in these days. Now I have this set up, and I'm just leave it like that. Not really looking to take this trade, so I want to place. Oh, what I'm doing? Try and get that. Here it is. Move that side. Yeah, we're just chilling. We're gonna see what happens on this pair. Want to see it hit here and come back down, or is that do a full-on up movement and then we can take action? But we gotta wait for action. This will be the pair. This will be the setup that what we gotta do next. You know, we gotta go the right way or we gotta go the wrong way on the next setup. So we're chilling and we're gonna wait. Now, of course, it can be another one, a fluke, like one of these, and we end up doing nothing, right? And we gotta wait for the next setup, right? So that's currently what we're doing here on AUD USD. GBP USD. We're up structure on the 1 hour, but we're waiting for that up structure to break. I'm waiting for a break of structure down, right? And then we're all risk $25 to make $50. We're going the right way, right? Right way of, right risk reward ratio, right? Reason why I had 1, 2, 3. All right, irrelevant, and 4 right here. So I'm looking for market to do another one of these big ones without hitting the 0 point first. And we're waiting for and we'd all be risking $25, make $50. We lose that one, oh well. We'd all risk $50 on the next one to make $100. We lose that one, oh well. We'd all risk $100 to make $200 on the next one. We lose that one, oh well. We'd all risk $200 to make $400. And if that one of them is all win, and then we'd all get everything back and be in profit. That's how you trade. That's how I trade, right? I don't care about losing. A lot of you care about losing so much, and that's why you can't make money. That's simple. Reason why we made money, we're not afraid to lose. This thing just broke structure, right? And this is actually a setup because we had this big win here. So we looking for our first mini win. So we're risking basically $200 to make $100 on this play. And I can go back to past data. We had that right here. And the last one, this one, we had a screw up. There was a screw up. So I'm looking for a consecutive same pattern like this for here. So look for that big win. I'm looking for 2 mini wins. So this is a play to really take for next week. I'm not entering any trades right now, but this is how you will set it up. We have a small break of structure point. It hasn't been too significant, but it did surpass it and did trigger my setup. And you can also see the low here. The low is 796, 794. So that's lower than 796. So what it did, broke structure, right? And again, now this is how I set it up. I will wait for this candle. You gotta wait for the candle to finish, right? You gotta wait for this candle to finish. Once this candle finishes, I want to see the next candle or the next couple candles at least touch the 23.6 level. Pay attention. At least touch the 23.6 level, and then we trigger the motion, or it starts to pass, and you just got it's an impulse. It's not a pullback. So you just have to wait for that wherever the market decides to stop and actually pulls back. Then we set it up, and then we start to rumble. All right. But that's it for this video, guys. That's video 18 right in full.